Thank you for visiting the Lakeside Yard Services YouTube channel. For this video, we are showcasing a brand new concrete golf cart path. This path will go from the client's driveway down to the 804 line on Lake Keowee, established by Duke Energy. We went ahead and excavated and graded the path, set up the forms, and installed a plain broom finished concrete with smooth edge, and on both sides installed erosion rock all the way down to the 804 line. From the 804 line to the client's dock, we went ahead and installed just gravel aggregate, which is permeable and allowed by Duke Energy. We also brought down new sod so that the client could install all new lawn around the new path. If you're looking for a project like this, please give us a call at 864-916-2018. Thank you.